At the age of 19, I was already a professional violinist, and I started touring with the famous singer Zucchero. I thought the violin would be my whole life, but during a stop at Paris, while going from one pastry shop to another, I fell in love with the world of chocolate. So I went back to Florence, put the violin in a drawer, and opened a chocolate and gelato parlor. I've always been fascinated by the contrast between gelato and chocolate. One is hot, the other is cold. One is summer, the other is winter. One is sweet and the other is bitter. In the very beginning, we started with chocolate flavors. Then, we thought about all the rest. Our flavor is called Mediterranean, and it's a sorbet with Sicilian almonds, hazelnut from Piedmont, and Sicilian pistachios. It's all Italian and made without milk. Once a customer told me, "Miss, this gelato is cheerful." And I replied, "Well, my name is Gaia. How else could I have made it?" My gelato resembles me. It's sparkling and tastes a bit exciting. Even my modular gelato parlor, which sells chocolate in the winter and gelato in the summer, is like me, adaptable to any situation. I started my alchemy in the lab, and there I started looking for my ingredients. Ingredients of the Italian tradition, such as Bronte pistachios, in this case, Sicilian almonds, and hazelnut from Piedmont. Now, let's start the recipe for our gelato, which is sorbet called Mediterranean. Our chocolate and gelato parlor is called Donamalina, the Mayan lover of Hernan Cortés. He was the man who brought cocoa to Europe and made chocolate famous all over the world. And this is our Mediterranean, our latest creation. This gelato, more than any other, has made me relive the alchemy of Donamalina. My gelato is like a symphony. Every ingredient is an instrument. They all blend together harmoniously, and in the end, when I like the recipe, that's my kind of music.